Greeting teachers. Today we are welcome you, and thank you for being here. Thank you for listening me. Thank you. Our today's topic is how we are going to create a charisma as a teacher. Charisma is something like a magnet who is going to attract the student attention. Means how we are going to take control over the class. See, whenever a teacher is supposed to be teaching on the blackboard, the students, there should be a pin drop silence, and the students are silent not because they are afraid of teacher. They are silent because they know that today they are going to learn something new. Okay, and they and actually there are, I have found plenty of teachers in this plenty of students in this school who are actually eager to learn anything. They just want to learn, and we are supposed to teach them. So I have find suppose I'm a teacher of class 6B, and I told my student out of 26, they having some kind of a habit. I am developing a habit to the students, and often told them कि you are the one who is going to be the IAS, and I can see there are 15 students in this class who actually can be an IAS officer, and they actually believe me because they have that potential. Because once I have taught them, they actually go home and inquire the thing that whatever I have taught them, and and they come with a problem. Sir, I was not able to solve this. And there are many students who actually go home. Suppose I am going to teach a topic of exercise 2.3, 2.4 something. They have already go through that chapter. Okay. So that when they come to my class, they can answer me very well. And I often, whenever I teach my students in a class, so suppose a very simple topic, I explaining it. But I told them कि the topic that you are having right now, जब वो सीख जाते हैं तब, not in the starting. When they learn that topic, okay, that's how it works. Then I told them कि whatever you have learned this topic is actually is not considered by, मतलब कुछ ऐसे बच्चे हैं क्लास 9, 10 में 8 में, those who are actually not familiar with this topic, उनको नहीं आता है how to solve this question. And it's actually true. There are few students in class 8 or something who are not able to solve something a few questions because of COVID. So I was explaining the Bodman's rule, and they all whole class was solving. How they are solving, except 1 or 2 students. The whole class was solving. So I told them that whatever you have learned in this particular class, is actually not knowing by the students who are in upper level class. So they were quite amazed. Okay, then we have today something learn new. So whenever I teach next, they are very enthusiastic, and that's how I created a charisma. I told them that you are doing very well, and if you keep doing this in this particular order, one day you might overtake the student of class 8 and 9 if you just keep doing this thing. So, and that's how I create a charisma in my class. And when I teach Python in my class, I often said that after 6 months or 7th month, there will be many students, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. There will be many students who are going to actually overtake me in search of Python. So, and I often ask them, how many of you actually willing to overtake me? So almost all of them raise their hand. Sir, I want to overtake you. So this is how I create a charisma in a class. And so okay, if you want to overtake me, then you have to do this thing, and one day you will overtake me. At the end of session, you are going to overtake me, and it's actually true. I've taught in many classes, and I found that after some times there are few students who actually overtook me. Maybe after 7th month of teaching, maybe after 8th month of teaching, there are many students who actually overtake me. So I just make them believe that you can overtake me, and that's how I create a charisma in my class. And one more thing, they actually wanted to know what is the practical application of that thing. Suppose I am teaching a topic like gravity. Okay. So I have told the class like okay, I want to measure the height of this building. How am I going to measure it? So practitioner said that I am going to do that, and so okay, no, I have a fun formula. This formula is like h is equal to ut plus half dt square. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a ball, okay, and we are going to drop this ball like this, okay, and the moment I am going to drop this ball, I am going to stop watch this, मतलब stop on करेंगे. जैसे ही मैंने इसको गिराया, मैंने stop on कर दी. अब बॉल नीचे गिरी, and the moment it hit the ground, stop the watch. Now the time interval that I've taken. Now put that time into that formula, and you will come to know the height of the building. That's simple as that. And that's how I create charisma in my class. I often take, बताता हूँ कि that what is the practical application of this particular thing. Suppose many of the teachers have heard that minus minus is equal to plus. But why is that plus? I explained that. Okay, that's simple. Minus minus equal to plus. But why minus minus become, when I multiply it become plus? The sign become positive. That's also I teach them. So somehow we have to tell them, we have to explore so that they can actually apply that theory into practical. That's I actually create the charisma in my class. Thank you.